twist, taste, and dunk your teacher. Class is starting! Miss Smith walks into the room. But she doesn't look like herself today. What happened to our favorite teacher? Miss Smith is mad and aggressive. Maybe she's just hungry. Our magic Snickers might help. Mark a sheet of thick cardboard into rectangles. Cut out 2 pieces each of 3/4 by 6, 1 by 6, and 3/4 by 1 inch rectangles. Cut along the rectangles so that the cap can open. Glue on a marker and connect the box case around it. Cover the case with double-sided tape and wrap it in thick brown paper. Make a Snickers package. Glue on a logo. Make a cut for the cap. Let's treat Miss Smith to her favorite snack, a Snickers marker. She writes the magic word and turns normal immediately. Finally! You're not you when you're hungry and don't have a marker. While the girls are busy with their work, Miss Smith is inventing a prank. She gets out long lollipops and gets the girls' attention. Cut up colorful spiral hair ties. Wrap 2 ties of different colors onto a pen in a spiral. Trim the excess and seal them together with a lighter. Make pens of different colors. Cover them with clear nail polish. Miss Smith leaves the girls to their treats. They rush to try the candies out. Here they are, bright and tasty. But the teacher's back soon. How are my sweet students doing? Did they fall for the prank? Christy tries the lollipop. Ah! My jaw! This candy is way too hard. And Jessica untied the hair tie with her teeth. Miss Smith is so happy that her candy prank went well. The Teacher's Revenge Part 1. Miss Smith is taking a break, which means her desk is available for a prank. Christy wants to leave a huge chocolate bar for her. What? A real one? No way! Made out of crayons. Remove the labels from crayons. Break them up and melt each color in a microwave individually. Pour them into a chocolate bar mold. Fill each square with a different color. Arrange them in random order. Cover it with a layer of melted crayons of a few colors. Cut up Styrofoam. Make a rectangle the size of the chocolate bar. Stick the Styrofoam and crayon bars together using double-sided tape. Wrap it in foil. Put it in a thick paper wrapper. Attach a Hershey's Rainbow Chocolate label. Attach the edges of the package. Let's place the chocolate bar on the teacher's desk. Shh! Miss Smith is coming. Miss Smith walks into the room. She notices the surprise. How sweet! Thanks for the gift, girls! But this chocolate bar isn't what it seems. Is this rainbow chocolate? Be careful, Miss Smith. You should draw with this chocolate bar, not try to eat it. Miss Smith isn't happy about this twist. If she can't get sugar, she'll be in a bad mood. Miss Smith is having a bad day. The magnets won't stay. She's dropping everything. Miss Smith is a nervous wreck. We need to calm down this exasperated woman right now. We have a plan. We'll give her a big handmade rafallo before she knocks her globe right off its axis. Make a big sphere out of tinfoil. Roll polymer clay out in a thin layer and wrap it around the ball. Trim the excess clay. Smooth out the seams. Roll out the trimmed clay and cover the whole ball. Make an oval opening on the surface. Remove the excess clay and make a cut around the whole sphere. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Take the pieces apart. Remove the tinfoil and glue the halves together. Cut thin white paper into squares. Pour Elmer's glue into a container. Soak the crumpled paper and glue it onto the sphere. Cover the whole surface of the ball with papers. Make it look like the shredded coconut on the outside of a rafallo. Punch a printed oversized candy label with a hole puncher. Insert a red ribbon. Put school supplies into the sphere and wrap the ribbon with the label around it. Don't torment the globe, Miss Smith. Just try this rafallo instead. It's as big as our love. This stand will hold all your pens and pencils. Miss Smith's mood immediately brightened. We're working hard. Jessica wants to share her glue. Ew, how boring! Christy's going to make a collage using mini Nutella. Clean a paint container. Cut a brush apart from its handle and glue it into the lid. Pour Elmer's glue into the jar. Dissolve brown and yellow acrylic paint in it. Mix it and close the lid. Glue on a printed mini Nutella label. What a sweet twist! Nobody would ever be able to guess that Christy's Nutella isn't real. She makes a paper sandwich. Miss Smith isn't happy again. Please don't eat in class. Calm down, Miss Smith. It's just glue. Just very chocolatey glue. Well, Miss Smith isn't watching. We can have a couple bites of an Oreo. Or eat the whole package. Oh, sorry, Christy. There isn't any left for you. But she's not upset. She takes out a giant Oreo. Print out a mirror image of a big Oreo logo. Cover it with a sheet of clear plastic. Fill the white parts of the template with hot glue. Trim the plastic to be round. Add building silicone to cornstarch. Mix it by hand, working fast. Add black and brown acrylic paint. Color the mixture. Distribute it on a round mold in an even layer and make a print using the Oreo logo. Wrap the eraser in thick blue paper. Trim the edges and glue on a printed Oreo label. Jessica immediately asks for a bite. Of course, I'll do anything for my friends. Jessica tugs on the Oreo with her teeth. I think this cookie is past its expiration date. Oh, Jessica, always eating. This isn't a cookie, it's a big eraser. No wonder it's so rubbery. Christy loves eating sweets. She ate all the candy from her desk. Time to eat someone else's. Christy's eating candy at the speed of light. When the whole classroom is out of candy, Jessica comes up with a plan. She'll train her friend away from eating candy using an unusual Chupa Chups. Remove the wrappers from crayons. Break them up and melt them in a microwave. Insert a wooden stick into a straw. Seal the end with hot glue. Color the straw with white acrylic paint. Use a syringe to pour the melted crayons into a silicone cake pop mold. And put in the straw. Remove the wax candy from the mold when it sets. Glue a Chupa Chups label to plastic wrap and wrap up the lollipop. Christy can't wait to open the Chupa Chups. Here it is, the perfect candy. But Christy's teeth disagree. This is wax. What a trick. Stop trying to eat everything, Christy. This lollipop is for drawing. You ate all the real candies we had already. Did you like our big and small edible school supplies? Then let us know in the comments about which candy you'll turn your favorite school supplies into. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new school life hacks from Troom.